Meaning of glutinous.
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 Glutinous. The word glutinous means having a sticky or adhesive texture or being excessively cohesive. When something is described as glutinous, it typically has a thick, gluey consistency that can be difficult to separate or move. This adjective can be used to describe various materials, including food items like rice or dough, as well as non-food substances such as adhesives or resins. The term glutinous is often associated with a sense of stickiness or viscosity that can make an object or substance harder to handle, shape, or control.